Hey there, I'm Sammy from Binance, and today we're going to talk about how to post ads on Binance P2P. If you're looking to buy or sell crypto directly with other users, posting ads is a great way to get started. I'll show you exactly how to create your own P2P ad step by step. First, log into your Binance account and head to the P2P section. From the main dashboard, click on Add Funds, then select P2P. Once you're in, you'll see a tab called Ads. This is where you'll manage all your P2P ads. To post a new ad, click on the Post Ad button. You'll be prompted to choose between a buy or sell ad, depending on whether you want to buy crypto or sell crypto to other users. For this example, let's create a sell ad for Bitcoin. Once you select sell, you'll need to choose the crypto you're selling, the local currency you want to receive, and your payment methods. Next, it's time to set your price. Binance gives you the option to either set a fixed price or use a floating price based on the market rate. A fixed price stays the same until you update it, while a floating price automatically adjusts with market fluctuations. You'll also need to specify your payment methods. Choose from options like bank transfer, third-party payment platforms, or other local methods. The more payment options you provide, the more likely you'll attract buyers. Now, set the trade limits. This defines the minimum and maximum amount of crypto that you're willing to sell in a single transaction. You can also set a limit on how long buyers have to complete the payment. Usually, 15 to 30 minutes works well. In this section, you can also add any special terms for your buyers, like ID verification or specific instructions for payment. This helps ensure a smooth transaction. Once you've reviewed all your details, click Publish to make your ad live on the Binance P2P marketplace. Your ad will now appear to other users who are looking to buy or sell crypto. You can manage your active ads by going to the Ads section, where you'll be able to pause, edit, or delete them anytime. You can also track how many successful trades you've made and the total volume of your trades. Here are a few tips to make your ads more successful. Competitive pricing. Check what other users are offering and try to set a price that's competitive but still profitable. Payment flexibility. The more payment methods you accept, the more potential buyers you'll attract. Responsive communication. Be quick to respond to buyers. Fast communication can help you close trades faster. And that's it. Now you know how to post your own ads on Binance P2P. It's a great way to directly buy or sell crypto with other users, while maintaining full control over your trade conditions. If you're ready to get started, head over to the P2P section and try it out.